Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we're going to delve into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday the 27th of November 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any essential updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of November 27, 2023, our system has identified Google as a sell candidate with a score of -2.27. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We have been closely monitoring this evaluation and will continue to do so in the coming days. The stock is currently in a wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this presents a good selling opportunity. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $139.21, it will indicate a strong buy signal and a shift in the trend can be expected. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential -1.86% change over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period ranges from -12.70% to 0.161%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 58.11% change over the next year. The potential return during this period ranges from 46.63% to 70.95%. This means that the stock price could range from $200.02 to $233.20 after a year. Our latest update on Google reveals that the stock has been downgraded from a buy candidate to a sell candidate after Monday's trading session. On the last trading day, which was Monday, November 27, 2023, the Google stock price experienced a decrease of 0.205%, falling from $136.69 to $136.41. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 1.78%, reaching a low of $136 and a high of $138.42. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 2.88%, showing an upward trend in 6 out of the last 10 days. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 9 million on the last day, the prices were falling. This could be seen as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. Overall, a total of 21 million shares were bought and sold, with a total value of approximately $2.89 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $141.22, while the lowest price was $84.86. Presently, the stock price is 3.41% or $4.81 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 94.43% or $2,312.51 below the all-time high, which was on June 14, 2021. On that day, the price reached $2,448.92. Today, I want to talk to you about analyst ratings for a popular company called Google, also known as Google. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Oppenheimer gave Google a perform grade with a hold action. Another report came in on Wednesday, October 25, 2023, stating that Morgan Stanley gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, October 13, 2023, Macquarie also gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. That same day, KeyBank also provided an overweight grade with a hold action for Google. Lastly, on Tuesday, October 10, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Google an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Google stock a general rating of buy. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as a strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. The following signals have been identified for Google. The Google stock currently shows mixed signals. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, giving a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $136.72. Conversely, if it falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $133.53. Breaking above the short-term average would signal a buy, while breaking below the long-term average would indicate a sell. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also suggests a buy signal. However, there have been some negative signals as well, which may impact the short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, November 22, 2023, resulting in a 1.5% decline so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advisable to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence has shown a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 21 days ago. The short-term moving average suggested a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 8 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average displayed a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Google stock. Google stock has some important support levels to consider. Just below today's level, there is accumulated volume support at $125.61 and $122.28. Support levels are crucial because if they are broken, the stock may fall further to the next support level. So, if Google's stock price drops below $125.61, the next support level to watch out for would be at $122.28 and $122.17. When it comes to trading, there is always some level of risk involved. In the case of Google, with its average daily movements and good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the stock's recent performance, we can see that it had a range of $2.42 between its highest and lowest prices in the last day, which is equivalent to a 1.78% movement. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.59%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Google, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. It measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Google's P/E ratio falls within the normal range, often observed in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $1.60. It's crucial to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $137.40. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering entering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $125.61. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Google has received a combined average rating of buy. Now let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 45 shares of Google's Class C capital stock. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 50 shares of Google's Class C capital stock. On November 10, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 105 shares of Google's Class C capital stock. On October 13, 2023, Shriram Kavatark Ram bought 217,760 shares of Google's Class C capital stock. On October 13, 2023, Shriram Kavatark Ram sold 217,760 shares of Google's Class C capital stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated a negative insider power ratio of -69.936. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased 1,162,054 shares and sold 7,306,305 shares in total. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Google stock a good buy? Based on our evaluation, Google currently shows several negative signals, leading us to anticipate weak performance in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we hold a negative outlook for this stock. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a sell candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. However, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued after analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, November 28, we expect Google to open with a gain of $0.533, starting at $136.94. Before we begin, it's important to understand the risks associated with trading. Trading carries a high risk of financial loss, so it's crucial to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. And don't forget to let us know your target for this stock. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We're here at Stock Invest to support your trading success. Have a wonderful day.